support project, right? This is implementing, other one you are supporting, right? Yeah. So you give the information and also you put the resource here. 560 person days. You know how to calculate, right? If there are 5 people required and they will take 10 days, then this is what? 5 people required for 10 days. Then what is this? 50, right? 5 people, 10 days is person a days 50. That's what I think, but I cannot remember that much. Let me see F1. F1. PDF. Yeah. That is what we are planning. So we have to plan duration of an activity in days. The planned duration can be maintained manually if neither actual duration nor percentage. That I just telling. Okay. So that is how we calculate. So and then start time, our predicted start time, predicted end time, and the actual start time, actual end time, all those things. Actual people worked, all this information. So it is just giving an idea. So in this project, I can decide everything at the beginning, make sure everything is working. So the scope of the project. So I will select the scope of the project here, right? Roadmap. So you have to select whatever you are using, right? You have to be little non-technical person also, right? Because it's not all technical, right? This is functional also, right? Industry selection, so it's high tech. So if you want to select another industry, chemicals, if your industry is this, say chemical, right? Then you can remove high tech like that. And if you want, you can add more things to this also, right? Country selection also, right? Okay. So that you select scope. Then project team member. So who are the members? Don is a member, Donatus is a member, Vinod is a member. Okay, so who is doing change management, who is end user support, who is doing that, so you give them the role in the project, right? If you take default company, that is the correct company, the current company, right?
So I see this is just like a project manager, but it's tied up to the SAP itself to be able to follow incidents.
Yeah. Then system landscape. So whatever I created in the SMC or LMDB, that comes here. So this is what I created, right? Development. But here I'm taking a different logical component. So the reason why we create a logical component is I want to use the logical component here, right? That's the reason. So here I used a different logical component. So that is dev 001, quality 001. So this is the system landscape I created in the LMDP or SMC, right? So that I have to show here. Then I have to configure these things. I have to configure all of them. What is my project name? What is the logical component? All this information. Change management.
So with that one installation, it will give you all the 3 systems?
No. I have to tell in the SMC or LMDB my 3 systems. I have to tell that, right? So then I will come here. Then I will say my logical components. Logical component. I highlight this. Then I select my logical component here. Okay. So I selected SAP ECC. Okay. Yeah. Then change management also I have to go and configure all these things. Quality gate management configuration, all these things I have to do, right? So a solution manager consultant will type each command and configure all these components in an orderly manner, right? So before doing that, you have to do that. Before doing that, you have to do the other one like that. So multiple commands they have to type and then configure one by one. You can jump from here to there. If you forget, oh, I didn't do this. Okay, you can do that and come back. So it's not, you don't have to do it in order, right? But you have to have that information here, right? Solution manager is very, very hot now, okay? If you can get, you can easily get solution manager job, right? It's going to be hotter very soon also because HANA is going to be hotter because HANA is now SAP is doing with mobile also. HANA is necessary For the other one, what is the other one? Cloud computing, everything HANA integrated. And Solution Manager is very tightly integrated with HANA. So all these technologies, mobile, HANA, then Solution Manager, all will become very hot. SAP Basis is hot now, so other ones will become hot soon, right? So before it burns your fingers, catch it, right? Then milestones, then we can start, okay, this is my start of project. This is hope to build to test to deploy, end of project. These are my project stages, right? So I will start my project, then I will define a scope to build, then build to test it, then I will test, then wanted to deploy it, then I deploy it, okay? When did you start? When did you plan? When did you actually start? So everything is recorded. Even after 25 years, you can see this, right? Organization units, I can create if I have. Project standards, if I want, I can create for standard. Open, in process, finish, not relevant, deferred. If I want to add more things, I can add here. Then I can add here and add to the other side, okay? Yeah, I can add project template, add, right? Project plan. That is one of the module, right? This is one, right? Apart from this, you have many others, right? So we have another one called Solar 01, Solar 01, Solar 02. This is for business blueprint, right? First you have to create the plan, then create the blueprint, right?
So those documentation will be available.
Everything, when you are creating blueprint, I can attach documents for each of the steps.
You get that information from
Yeah. And also there is another function called Sudoku, like Sudoku. So with that you can manage documents properly, right? So that was configured. For example, here we have here business scenarios, right? Under business scenarios, I can create business process. Business scenarios, business process. So I can create credit memo analysis. This is all functional, right? In your case, you can't do much, right? Credit memo analysis, customer fact sheet, customer standard analysis, list of billing documents. So if I go to credit memo, list of billing, credit memo, this thing. So this part will be done by functional person, right? You don't know about credit memos or not. You know? Yeah. Yeah. So if I say transactions here, click on transactions. So I can add transactions related to this business process. I can add transactions here. Okay. Related to this process. I can add transaction related to this. I can add transaction related to this. Right. So all these can be configured. Right. So this is called change business blueprint. Then I have Solar 02 also. I can do some configurations there, right? With the I can change configuration for blueprint, right? Okay, and apart from that, okay, here we'll see. Yeah. Yeah.
That is only contractor certification only?
Yeah, but there are a lot of files there.
Yeah, but for question answer there is only one.
No, there are a lot. Give me 1 second. I'll check in front of you.
Say no permission.
No permission, are you sure?
All of them are. Only certification has permission.
Okay, let me correct the problem. Give me 1 minute, please.
Okay.
Yeah, give me 1 minute means for students. For you, your time. You are the boss. Okay. So remember, right? Yes, now you're okay. Okay, now you're okay. Thank you. So all these things can be done here. Okay. Then we have another command here for the roadmap. 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 Do you see anything related to roadmap here? Roadmap. Roadmap. Or there's a command called RM main. Roadmap maintenance. RM main, right? So we type RM main. So here we can create roadmaps for all ASAP methodology, accelerated SAP methodology, right? So project preparation, what is the first step? Project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final preparation, go live and support, right? They had graphical also. Okay. So under project preparation, see all the steps you can define here. These are the steps under project preparation. Okay. So under each one of them, there are a lot. See, phase resource allocation, detailed phase schedule, phase kickoff,